Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure you're subscribed and to hit the bell notification next to it so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get my favorite wash and go. For moisture today, I used a combination of the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner and the As I Am Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie. For my wash and go today, I'm going to be using a mixture of two gels, and this just helps me get really good definition and really long lasting definition. So I'm going to be using the Curls Unleash Curl Boosting Jelly, and then on top of that I'm going to be using the Wetline Xtreme Gel. So I'm going to be using a combination of those to get my wash and go today. Y'all, my hair smells so good. That curl enhancing smoothie is amazing. If you're wondering why my hair is in braids, be sure to check out my full wash day video, and I explain there why I wash my hair in braids and why I keep them in there through the whole process. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel one side. So when I do my wash and goes, I work in very small sections. So I start by spraying my hair with the water. Next, I'm going to go in with my jelly. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, just enough to cover the section, and begin defining my curls. Being sure to pay close attention to the ends of my hair. Next, I'm going to take a very generous amount of my wet line, and I'm going to smooth that all over my hair, especially paying attention to my roots because my roots will frizz up on me. And next, I just want to smooth everything out. Alright, and then I'll just push that section to the back, and then I don't touch it again. And then I just repeat this process all over my head. Okay guys, so my hair is all finished, all my products are in, and I'm thinking this wash and go is about to be amazing. So I'll check back in with you guys in the morning just so you can see the final full fluffy results. Okay guys, so it is actually 2 days later. My wash and go did not dry overnight as per usual, so I just wore it really shrunken the first day, and these are the final results after I have stretched and fluffed out my wash and go. I am so happy with my hair. I'm so glad I finally mastered my wash and go, and these get to be my final result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.